he's looking specifically for. You see, he's not into some energies like some of us are. So he's looking more at a focal point of intention.
Yeah. So you would call that an altar then?
Well, you must ask Clive.
Well, no.
Yeah.
I mean, if you were speaking for him, as of course,
I wouldn't presume to do so. I mean, if you say an altar to most people, they would think that it was a focal point of some sort of religious activity of some sort, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
I mean, the only way that could possibly work is if you had that dedicated to one deity, and that one dedicated, so in which case that is an altar, because you don't specifically say we want all of them on this one.
But he's not saying they're all existent at the same time, of course, is he?
No, but it's, if we're looking at the point of view of the altar is always over a serious power point, whatever power centre, then has it moved?
Well, from what Paul can speak for himself, but I mean, if Clive is saying that is an altar, and Paul is saying that he's dowsed and this exhibits some characteristics of a tired little power centre, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
In each
Which
case
would indicate that because there's no human intent stroke ritual going into that point anymore, it's withered away, and the focus has gone inside the church, where all the activity is now. I mean, because it does move around, doesn't it? I mean, just as if we were to build a labyrinth over there and spend a lot of time with it, you would have a power centre there.
I mean, on that basis, if that church was no longer there, and we were dowsing here, and we said, show us an altar, conceivably you would pick up the position of the font with an open question like, show us an altar. Pick up the font, pick up the font position here, pick up the altar there,
or possibly even the
and
pulpit.
the pulpit, So that, as an open question like that, although the way we're thinking about it, none of those are actually an altar.
No.
But are they? They are. The font is an altar to the children.
I mean, there's an awful lot of intent goes into that spot, doesn't there? I think.
In fact, probably more so, because in fact what you get out of the christening is you get a group of people actually round that point, all clustered around it, and you don't get that at an altar. You get a lot of people looking at it from
one side,
and from some distance away in most cases.
I just find it, the reason for the question was, why so many altars over?
Well,
I can't
That's
get
why
my head around it.
I asked Clive the same thing.
And what did he say?
Well, he is saying, I think, that you're talking about many centuries,
right,
and different cultures, different people moving in and out the area with different priorities and perhaps different gods, just regarding different places as being important, which seems strange to me because my understanding of human interaction with these places is that each culture overlays
the same
itself
one,
the same
on
spot,
the same one, which is why why you get the stone circle or chambered tomb, and then the wattle and daub church on top, and then the stone one, and then the Norman one, and then that falls down, and so on.
And that position still remains the same, constant in that one spot.
What does the word altar actually mean? Do we know what the actual literal...
The actual definition, I don't know.
Because where does the word alternative come from then?
Don't know, a wise one.
No.